Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and recommendations on the latest products in the market.
Today, we have something truly special for all the craft enthusiasts out there. The Cerca de Book Glue, the ultimate solution for all your paper crafting needs. If you're into paper quilling or any kind of paper craft, you know the struggle of finding the perfect adhesive. One that's strong, waterproof, and versatile enough to handle various materials.
Well, look no further, because Cerca de Book Glue ticks all the boxes and more. Let's delve into why this is the best glue for paper quilling.
First off, its powerful performance. This adhesive boasts strong adhesive strength and flexibility, ensuring your quilled creations stay intact without any worries of them falling apart.
Whether you're working with paper, cardboard, or even ceramic, Cerca de Book Glue has got you covered.
Its transparent formula dries clear, leaving no unsightly marks on your delicate creations. But here's the kicker. It's not just for paper quilling.
This glue is a multitasking marvel. Use it for repairing books, crafting envelopes, making postcards, or even DIY personalized rhinestone projects. The possibilities are endless. Let's talk design. Cerca de Book Glue comes in a convenient tube with a precise metal outlet, making application a breeze. Plus, it includes handy accessories like brushes, gloves, and sanding sticks to make your crafting experience even smoother. And here's another reason to love it: it's eco-friendly. This formula is gentle on the environment and safe for direct skin contact, so you can craft with peace of mind. So, whether you're a seasoned paper quilling artist or a beginner exploring the world of crafts, Cerca de Book Glue is your ultimate companion. Say goodbye to messy, unreliable adhesives and hello to endless crafting possibilities. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques and recommendations. Until next time, happy crafting!